Well, we decided to have a grand reopening to celebrate the fact that we've come through so much. Honestly, I think it's something everybody can be proud of. I think we can sit back and say, yeah, we did that. Look at what we did together. We do accomplish things together as a company all the time, every day, but this was just above and beyond. And one of the biggest things after we got done cleaning things out and throwing things away, we had to count inventory. And to have this building essentially full of supplier partners coming in to help us count, that was huge. Local government was very helpful in terms of, as once we got through those initial couple days of just chaos for everybody, we were very good at coordinating with, the utilities, with the two biggest things really were trash removal and electricity. And so it really all came together remarkably well between us and the city and SMU and all of the different entities. The Automotive Aftermarket Charitable Foundation, to have someone like that, an organization like AACF, was very beneficial for our people.
The Automotive Aftermarket Charitable Foundation is an outstanding foundation that's been around for a number of years, and it's there just to help in disasters like the one that occurred here in Spencer, Iowa. They put a lot of pressure on themselves to get done this fast, but it's not unlike their business. When somebody has a vehicle that's down, a piece of agriculture equipment that's down, we can't wait 5 or 6 weeks to get it fixed. We got to do it right now. Most of the time we try to get the parts there in 30 minutes or less. So 7 months was a lot of time for them to get back up and running to 110% speed, which is where they're at today. From the Aftermarket Auto Parts Alliance headquarters, we are so proud and so impressed to have a great team like the Merrill Company and Arnold Motor Supply. We know how well they take care of their customer base. We know how well they take care of one another. And when they're doing that, they take great care of us at headquarters, as well as our vendor, channel partner community that manufacture and make all these parts available so we can keep America moving. The people here are really good people.
Right after the flood, we were here. It was pitch black for the first week almost. We all wandered around in headlamps. The morale is fantastic now. The flood definitely brought the whole team together. We were all pitching in to do the same thing, to get the place cleaned up. The whole atmosphere we're much more of a single connected company now.